Welcome to our video on takt time, a fundamental concept in lean manufacturing. Whether you're new to lean or looking to refine your understanding, takt time is a fundamental principle you must grasp. Originating from the German word Takt, meaning pulse or rhythm, takt time represents the heartbeat of your production process. In simple terms, takt time is the rate at which a finished product must be completed to meet customer demand. It acts as a metronome for your production, ensuring you produce just the right amount of goods without overproducing. To calculate takt time, you need two critical pieces of information: the available production time and the customer demand. Divide the total available production time by the units your customers require. Voila, you have your takt time. For instance, if you have 480 minutes available in a workday, and your customer demands 120 units daily, your takt time would be 4 minutes per unit. This means a product should roll off your production line every 4 minutes to meet demand precisely. Aligning your production processes with takt time can help you identify bottlenecks, reduce waste, and improve efficiency. It can also help your team work more cohesively and focus on value-added activities. But remember, takt time is not static. It must be recalculated whenever production conditions or customer demands change. Adjustments in takt time allow your operations to be flexible and responsive, which is crucial in today's fast-paced market. In the world of lean, takt time is an essential driver for continuous improvement, enabling you to deliver value to customers faster and more efficiently. So next time you're assessing your production processes, consider how takt time can optimize your operations. Understanding and implementing takt time can be transformative, creating a more balanced and efficient workflow. That's it for today's overview of takt time in lean. For more insights into lean methodologies, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This is Kevin from InfiniLean. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.